The Modi government has a habit of premature celebration and declaration of victory. We saw it when they patted themselves on the back for defeating COVID, only to be left dumbstruck when the deadly second wave struck.
जिस देश में विश्व की 18% आबादी रहती है, उस देश ने कोरोना पर प्रभावी नियंत्रण करके पूरी दुनिया को, मानवता को बड़ी त्रासदी से भी बचाया है.
And we see it now when they proudly claim that the Indian economy is bouncing back because of the recently released Q1 GDP numbers. Behind this premature celebration lies the insecurity and ineptitude of the Modi government in handling the economy. The fact of the matter is that the Indian economy is yet to reach pre-pandemic levels. The 20.1% growth rate that the BJP is gloating about is based on the negative growth of minus 24% in the same period last year, that is Q1 of financial year 2020 and 2021. So yes, in comparison to minus 24%, a growth rate of 20.1% is a welcome change. However, does this mean that the economy is back on track? Absolutely not. Why not? Because in order for our economy to be back on track, one would have to compare it to pre-pandemic levels, and today we are far from that. Think of it this way. If you walked down 24 steps and then walked up 20 steps, you are still 4 steps short of being at the top. The economic stagnation is further confirmed by the fact that many sectors such as mining, quarrying, manufacturing, construction, trade, hotels and transport, financial and professional services have still not returned to pre-pandemic levels of output. It would be prudent for the Modi government to put aside chest thumping and blowing trumpets and instead focus its energies on improving the lives of the Indian people. Today, our people are suffering from increasing unemployment, rising prices, exorbitant cost of living and rapidly falling incomes. And all of this is a result of this government's incompetent economic policies.